When you see an aerial shot in a location where it would be difficult to get a full-size helicopter, there's a good chance that that shot was taken with our electronics. We're on National Geographic, we were just on Discovering the Mayans show, we're on Billy Hand Fishing, we're on Discovery Channel, we're on a lot of the shows that you've seen on television today. They use our systems, they can get very handheld, free-flowing shots on a movie set like a Steadicam, but then they can also bring it up like a jib, and they're not limited by the length of the jib. They can go up to several hundred feet, so they sometimes call it an infinite jib. And this is the Hoverfly Pro. It has 16 microprocessors, accelerometers, gyroscopes, and this essentially is the flight controller. It takes commands from the ground. They're very stable for putting a camera in the sky, almost like a tripod in the sky. It still requires a user on the ground to tell it where to go, tell it when to come down and go up. Typical application is within about a 500-foot radius with a ceiling of 400 feet. We started Hoverfly Technologies about 2 years ago, the 4 co-founders. It was started on kitchen tables and garages. We were all interested in embedded electronics using microprocessors and sensors. With today's technology used in cell phones like accelerometers and gyroscopes and barometers, we were able to use the high volume applications of those sensors with microprocessors and make a very clever piece of hardware that can control a multi-rotor aircraft. One of the first things people suggest is going overseas for manufacturing. And we made the choice to stay here in the United States, and they're 10 miles away so that during manufacturing we can go there and work out problems much quicker. Most important to us is that we stayed made in the USA. It solves a problem using high volume electronics that are used in everyday items.